Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to resize an image in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Now we can resize entire image size. We can go to top option bar. We can go to image and image size. Actually, we can use shortcuts Alt Control I to use image size. I click it and then image size panel is opened. Next, we can go to dimension to check the original image size. This is 2000 pixels times 1333. Now, if you want to change the image size, make sure that we lock the constraint, we lock the aspect ratio. If you don't lock it, we can make the size stretching. For example, I type 1000, this is stretching. Now I go back to 2000, I lock it. And then we can change it to 1000. So we can reduce the size. If you want to enlarge it, we can type the larger value. I resize it to 2500 pixels. Now I keep it in the same resolution and check the box resample. Now I press OK. So we can enlarge the image size. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Now we can go back to image size to check the dimension. This is larger. Now I cancel it. And then if you want to resize the specific layer, make sure that we have layers window. If you don't have layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now go back to layers window and then we can go to background layer. Use double click to open new layer panel and then press OK. Then a new layer is created. Now we can go to activate the move tool and then we can find the boundary box. We can click and drag to resize it. Same thing, make sure that we lock the aspect ratio. If we don't lock it, we can resize without the same aspect ratio. If you want to use the same aspect ratio, make sure that we lock them. So this is how we can resize entire image and resize specific layer in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video.